Alright, today class, our discussion is all about your balance scorecard. Okay, so ano bang ibig sabihin ng balance scorecard? Okay, so it is basically a performance measure. So pag sinasabi natin balance scorecard, it is a performance measure. Okay, and this balance scorecard, should be aligned with our mission, should be aligned with our vision, and should be aligned with our strategy. Okay. Siyempre class, in terms of mission, ano ba yung mission natin, no? Vision to look forward, and your strategy, di ba? Ang dami niyan. Product differentiation, product development, market penetration, di ba? And that will be part of your balance scorecard. It is part of the performance measure. And basically, it should be aligned with mission, should be aligned with your vision and your strategy. Okay, very important class that in terms of your balance scorecard are the four criteria. No? So, ano yung four criteria as performance measure? Number one, yung tinatawag natin financials. Okay? So, what do you mean of financials as part of your criteria? Basically, financials, you are looking into numbers. You are being identified or you are being strategized or being compared with the numbers. Ibig sabihin, number of sales, okay? What else? Your income. Okay? So, depende yan class sa company nyo. Okay. So, financials, of course, numbers. Numbers, your FS, kasali dito. Your cash flow. Okay? Number two, very important class in terms of criteria in the balance scorecard, yung tinatawag natin internal business process. So, ano yung ibig sabihin ng internal business process? From the word itself, process. Okay? So, process siya class, no? So, internal business process, your base, base ka sa process natin. Tayo ba ay gumagamit ng SAP? Tayo ba ay more on manual? Okay? Yan. Number three is all about your learning and growth. Okay? Ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng learning and growth? Okay? Ito class is more naman sa people. Okay? People here is your employees, kasama yung employees, and your customer. Okay? Class, baka marito kayo, ba't kasama yung customer? Employees here and customer here, the keyword here is to have proper training. Proper training and at the same time, to have proper development. Ganon din naman sa customer natin. Kailangan mo ng training and development. And number four, yung tinatawag natin customer. Okay? Last, magkaiba yan, ha? In the learning and growth, training and development, employees and customer. Customer here, the keyword here is to satisfy them. Satisfaction. Okay. So, all of these tasks are the criteria in your balance scorecard. You're being assessed with financials. You're being assessed with internal business processes. You're being assessed with learning and growth and your customer. Okay? So that's basically your balance scorecard. Thank you.